So today we're gonna mix in these add-ins in Streamer Slime because I'm bored and I've had this since February for my birthday. So let's get started. Okay, take the lid off. I actually have opened this before. Let's take them out. So this is clay cupcake. I'm scared. If this is dried out, oh yeah, no, it's dried. Oh, not dried out. Oh, it's dried out a little bit, but we'll see. And then we have this blue slime. I don't know what's scented. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. And wait. Need some activator. I'll go get activator. Then last we have some glitter. Okay, you're probably wondering why I'm feeling so muffled. Go check my check-in. Okay, so we got the activator. And activate this. Doesn't need activator, I just misunderstood it. So, and we shouldn't put that much activator in because it's gonna be really hard to stretch when you put the clay in. So put the clay in. We have to make it look cute first. Let me show you the finished look. Not that impressive. What? Not that impressive. Let's smush it in. I'm just wrapping it in the slime first. Now I got this big glop. Let's start smushing it. Guys, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, guys, wait. So, let's continue to mix. This is what it's looking right now. It's turning green. Yeah. So, let's add the glitter. Let's mix in the first batch. We need a lot more. Wait, guys, I just noticed it's not going to fit inside the container. But luckily, we have two. Good job, Swimming. This is the finished look. Bye.